Meow, democracy just got a whole lot more complicated, and not in a good way, mate. On April 10th, 2025, the US House of Representatives decided to throw a proper spanner in the works of American democracy. With a vote of 220 to 208, they've passed the Safeguard American Voter Eligibility Act, or SAVE Act for short. This bonkers piece of legislation, introduced by Rep. Chip Roy, a right muppet from Texas, requires every Tom, Dick and Harry to show up with a passport or birth certificate just to register to vote. Now, don't let that fancy name fool you. This isn't about safeguarding democracy. It's about giving it a right good kicking. Over 146 million Americans don't even have a passport, mate. We're talking about potentially disenfranchising 21 million citizens here. It's bloody bonkers. Like asking everyone to prove they're not secretly Russian spies before grabbing a pint at the local. But wait, there's more. This act is particularly dodgy for the ladies. About 69 million women might find themselves in a right pickle because their birth certificates don't match their current legal names. Imagine telling your nan she can't vote because she took Grandad's surname 50 years ago. It's proper mental, innit? Rep. Chip Roy, the bloke who introduced this bill, reckons it's all about preserving the republic and maintaining election integrity. Pull the other one, mate. It's about as necessary as a chocolate teapot in a heatwave. Studies have shown that illegal voting by non-citizens is rarer than rocking horse droppings. But why let facts get in the way of a good bit of voter suppression, eh? Now, this isn't just some one-off. It's part of a broader strategy to reshape American democracy since Trump's return to the presidency in 2024. We've seen a proper push to tighten the screws on voting rights. It's like they're trying to turn the land of the free into the land of the free if you have the right paperwork. Let's not forget, similar laws in Kansas and Arizona were struck down faster than you can say unconstitutional. As Rep. Jamie Raskin put it, this act is nothing more than a tool for political manipulation aimed at consolidating power within select voter bases. I'm proper gobsmacked by the audacity of these muppets trying to pull the wool over our eyes with this rubbish. And get this, the SAVE Act also bans online and mail-in registration. So if you're living in the sticks or can't drive to a registration office, tough luck, mate. It's like they're trying to make voting as complicated as rocket science. Plus, they're threatening election officials with severe penalties if they don't enforce these balmy rules. It's a recipe for absolute chaos, I tell you. This act isn't just targeting new voters either. They're planning to do frequent voter roll purges. So even if you're already registered, you might find yourself booted off the list faster than a contestant on Love Island. And don't get me started on the economic impact. Getting these documents isn't cheap, mate. It's like they're bringing back the poll tax in disguise. Now, let's put this in perspective. Back in '65, they passed the Voting Rights Act to knock down barriers to voting. This SAVE Act, it's like they're trying to build those barriers back up, brick by bloody brick. And it's not just happening here. It's part of a global trend of rising authoritarianism. Proper scary stuff, that. But don't worry, my friends. The fight isn't over yet. This dodgy bill still has to make it through the Senate, where the Democrats are gearing up to give it a proper thrashing. And let's not forget the army of civil rights organisations ready to take this to court faster than you can say voter suppression. If you're as gobsmacked by this nonsense as I am, give us a like and leave a comment. Maybe we can start a petition to make common sense a requirement for lawmaking. Yeah, stay tuned for our next update. I'm Ron DeParmesan reporting for Newscats. Thanks for watching. Remember, in the land of the free, your vote should be too, not locked behind a bureaucratic obstacle course.